From silence to speaking. A boy who started English from zero. A small town. A boy sits quietly in a classroom. Other kids speak fluently. He stays silent. This is the story of Raju, a boy from a small village where English was just a subject, not a language anyone spoke. Raju's teacher asks, "What is your name?" Raju stares blankly. No answer. Class laughs. He knew the answer, but his tongue froze. His heart beat fast. That one moment made him believe, I can't speak English. One day, Raju sees a YouTube video titled, You Can Speak English. He listens. It says, fluency begins with courage, not grammar. That one line hit his heart. For the first time, Raju smiled and thought, what if I can try? Next day, Raju speaks to the mirror. My name is Raju. He repeats, I like mango. I go school. Was it perfect? No, but it was a start. Every day, he spoke to himself. He watched cartoons in English. He repeated every line like a parrot. Raju joins an online speaking group. He says, hello, my English not good, but I try. The teacher smiles. That's the spirit. With each conversation, his fear melted. Words became sentences. Sentences became confidence. Raju gives a short speech in school. Good morning, everyone. My name is Raju. Class claps. His teacher wipes a tear. From silence to speech. From fear to fluency. Raju didn't wait to become perfect. He just began. If you were like Raju, starting from zero, remember, speak broken English. Speak with fear, but speak, because one word today can change your life tomorrow. Start speaking, even from zero. Type yes in the comments if you're ready to try. And if you want to practice English speaking and want to enhance your communication skills with English Expert, kindly visit us via description details. Thank you.